Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlineJobs.ph, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete one of your OnlineJobs.ph job postings? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete an OnlineJobs.ph job posting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're doing some hiring through OnlineJobs.ph, you know that when you post a job posting, it can be overwhelming how many applicants you get. So maybe it's better to go ahead and delete the job posting. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your OnlineJobs.ph dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete one of your job postings, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you click on account, you're going to click on job posts. Okay, once you click on job posts, you're going to see all of your job postings in OnlineJobs.ph. So just scroll down until you find the job posting you want to delete. So for example, this one right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see a blue delete button. Now, one thing I want to let you know is you can go ahead and pause the job listing. So that way you can reactivate it later if you're going to look for more applicants. So for me, normally, I'm going to go ahead and just pause the job listing instead of deleting it. That way I can reference back to it later. And then also that way I can just simply reactivate it again in the future. So if you want to do that, you just click on this little arrow next to either active or paused. However, if you're sure you're never going to use this job listing again, you can go ahead and click the blue delete button right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a job posting in OnlineJobs.ph, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.